Pastor, you see this our brother here?
Yes, yes.
He has been mad for complete 35 years now.
Let me tell you, this man doesn't know me. You spirit of madness. We say Holy Ghost, fire!
Mother!
Jesus! Come on, we keep quiet. Time. You spirit of madness. We say Holy Ghost,
Fire!
Holy Ghost, fire!
Mother!
Jesus is Lord.
Close your eyes. Pray. You people should close your eyes. Pray. Even you that is mad, you can't even close your eyes. You are eating indomie. Are you mad? You are very mad. Pastor is here shouting because you are mad. You can never even give me indomie to eat.
Are you eating?
Pastor, why are you eating, huh?
Are you eating?
How can a man be enjoying this? You know the reason why he is mad? It's because they put two female eggs inside.
You be mumu. I think say they wise.
Pastor!
I'm not the main pastor. Please, I'm not the main pastor. The main pastor is going. I'm not the I swear with the name of my village people.